Today we are going to take a look at the new Google Earth 3D buildings application, where the City of Fredericton is a test project. That's me standing in front of the Capitol Bar. Right now we're in the tannery area. We can turn around and look at the front of the tannery where all the action happens. There is Dolan's Pub and an Alpine sign. And good old Dmitry Souvlaki's. I'd recommend the combo plate. So let's just back out onto the street now. And let's take a look at which is what I think is probably the coolest feature of this, where you can move in between this cartoon world. It integrates with Google Street View, and you can just jump into the reality real picture from Google Street. So you can move back and forth between the two different applications in Google Earth, which is really cool. And if we want to go back to Cartoon Land, we'll just exit out of the photo, and there we are back onto the street. It's a little bit tricky to maneuver around, but it's not too hard. And we'll just go down King Street here. There's the town shop. There is the bookstore, Service New Brunswick. There's Savages, Westminster Books, King's Place. And there's the United Church, Bank of Montreal, just up here a little bit. There is NB Power, Avis Car Rental, Crumbs Cafe, no longer in business, the Blue Door, good old Tim Hortons, the Lunar Rogue Pub. They've got a great Scotch selection at the Lunar Rogue. And let's come down around here to the legislature. I hear the guy who's running the legislature these days has a number of problems on his hands. So let's just move up into the sky here. This is a really cool part of the Google 3D city view, is that you can really go up and almost fly around the downtown of Fredericton. Like, there's the Playhouse. We'll just kind of fly around down Queen Street here. And here we come up on the Justice Building and City Hall. And let's go back into a picture, which is just so neat to go between the 3D and then wham, you're back in Street View. I just want to give credit to Rob Lunn, the GIS Coordinator for the city, who is instrumental in getting Fredericton as a test subject for the Google Earth 3D buildings program. Thank you very much, Rob. This is really cool.